Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to add photos on Widgetsmith app on your iPhone. So let's start. First open Photos on your iPhone. Now select the photo you want to add. Now tap on the share icon on bottom left corner. Now scroll down and tap on Add to Album and then tap on New Album and give a name to this album. Now close the Photos app. Now open the Widgetsmith app. Scroll down a little bit and tap on Add a small widget and tap on it to edit it. Now tap on Default widget. Scroll down, tap on Photos in Album and tap on the selected album. Now select the album you recently created. Now go back and tap on Save. And the photo has been added to Widgetsmith. Now close the app and long press on the home screen and tap on the plus icon. Now search for the small Widgetsmith widget. Now tap on Add Widget and the widget will be added to your home screen. Now tap on it and tap on Edit Widget and select the widget you just created. And that's how you can add photos to Widgetsmith. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.